Everywhere you look, someone's telling you how to find your personal style. But in the midst of this, I can't help but wonder, is your style truly personal to you? Or is it just another inspiration from a celebrity figure that you really like and want to be perceived as them? Or a figure that you really relate to and you think if a certain style suits them, it might suit you too? Or you're just simply following a trend? Hey everyone, welcome to Hot Takes. This is your host Astha, and today we are diving deep into this concept and discuss about what I think of personal style personally. Firstly, let's understand the internet meaning of a personal style. It's how you express yourself through your clothing and accessories, reflecting your personality and individuality. It's not just about what you buy or what's trendy, it's how you stand out and communicate without saying a word. Although this term seems fairly modern, the concept of using clothes as a form of expression and differentiation has been followed since ancient times. People used clothes to voice who they were, their status, profession, belief, culture, religion, etc. Clothing was a visual language. They used colors, fabrics, patterns, and accessories to signal their place and identity in society. It wasn't just about status and wealth. Clothing was used to express values and personality. But today, if we closely look around us, people are still trying to follow the same concept. They want to reflect their identity and personality through their clothes, but also differentiate themselves from the crowd, which in the present has kind of become difficult to do. And why is that? Thanks to social media and trends, as much as we are thankful for it because of so many style inspirations that we can get and stay updated on what's happening in the fashion industry, it has also resulted in confusion and style fatigue because of so much content. And the trends that in the past used to follow a predictable rhythm and were often shaped by cultural movements and cinema or the runway shows, and a single trend could dominate an entire decade, have now exploded into chaos. It's because of social media we are now exposed to hundreds of micro trends at once. One week everyone's wearing parachute pants and oversized cargos. Next, it's all about old money and quiet luxury. Fashion cycles that once lasted for years now barely survive for a season. It's also confusing because just as you begin to settle into one look, the algorithm is already feeding you five more to try. This endless loop has led to a growing sense of style fatigue. And because of this reason, many are now actively trying to gravitate towards a personal style to look different. And it makes sense because when you're bombarded daily with new aesthetics and clothing rules, having a signature look becomes easy for everyday looks, as you don't have to struggle every morning with dilemma and don't feel the need to buy clothes that are trending. But guess what? To identify their personal style, they are going on the internet where most of the videos are very generic, where they are telling mostly about clothes that feels more like styling tips, like how different they used to look before they find their personal style. But in reality, they just learn what clothes suits them and how to style better, which I don't think is a personal style. And for those who don't want to spend too much comes the savior, minimal aesthetic, which has gained a huge popularity even in celebrities. And some people are thinking it has become their personal style, as they are wearing the basic minimal clothes on a regular basis. But sorry to burst your bubble, it's not. It's just another trend. The trend of old money aesthetic, quiet luxury are just a part of it. And I'm not opposed to it, as I personally like minimal dressing myself. But calling it a personal style, and in my opinion, personal style does not just entirely lie in clothes. It's the elements in your looks that stays constant no matter what you're wearing. Let's take a moment and talk about the people who are globally recognized for their consistent style, not because they stick to one type of outfit, but because they bring a consistent signature element to whatever they wear. They all have a constant differentiating element in their overall looks. Anna Wintour in her bob, sunglasses, and a statement necklace, Billie Eilish in her baggy clothes, Taylor Swift in bold red lipstick and bangs, Hailey Bieber in a clean girl aesthetic. These example teaches that personal style isn't about wearing the same type of clothes every day, but it's about maintaining a consistent element, and it can be anything. A hairstyle, a color palette, a type of accessory, a type of shoes, makeup, choice of fabric, your belief or anything. It's not just about clothes because the choice of clothes changes with time. As your lifestyle changes, so as your style. And as far as I have seen, we all have at least one element in our looks that we keep consistent and we just don't realize it. Just think about it. Is it something in your makeup, any lip shade, eyeliner, or you like a very clean or no makeup look? Maybe it's something in your clothes, a clothing item that you really like and constantly wear. and you have a collection of different varieties of it, like pants, shorts, skirts, shirts, blazer, tops, or is it your shoes? It can be your color palette. Do you like wearing neutral tones or all black? It can be a hairstyle, any cultural influence, or maybe your belief. Just take a moment and think about it. And the best part about this is you can wear whatever clothes you want with a touch of your personal element, and it doesn't necessarily have to say anything about you. Sometimes it's just something that you really like and feel comfortable and confident in. It doesn't say anything about who you are. For example, I like to wear tank tops and baggy jeans with a pair of Crocs. Does it say anything about me, or am I trying to show anything? No, I just feel comfortable wearing it. So, if you're struggling to find your personal style, maybe take the pressure off. It's not a set of clothes that you have to have, and it's definitely not something that you can find on Pinterest or by watching YouTube videos. It's about identifying the little things that make you you. It's in the way that you carry yourself, the details that you repeat without knowing about it, the clothes that make you feel most you on a regular day, not just on your best days. That could be the type of shoes that you like to wear, the jewelry that you never take off, or the fact you always gravitate towards a particular color without realizing it. And the beauty of it is your personal style is allowed to change. It can evolve with your lifestyle, your career, your mindset, or even your mood. That's not being inconsistent, that's being human. You're not a fixed Pinterest board. You're a full person with phases and growth, and your style should reflect that. Instead of chasing aesthetics that changes every 3 months, find pieces and elements that stick, that brings you joy. Your personal style isn't missing. It's already there in the tiny choices you have been making all along. You don't need to find it, you just need to start noticing it. So internet is all good to find out what colors would suit you, what's your body type, and accordingly what type of clothes would look good on you. But next time you go on internet to find out your personal style, just ask yourself, are they really helping you out, or are they just telling you stuff that you can find on Pinterest? So this is it for today. If this video made you think even a tiny bit differently about how you look at personal style, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such honest conversation about fashion and lifestyle, and comment down below about what you think about personal style. And thank you so much for sticking till the end, and I will see you guys in the next one.